One of the secrets or keys to success is that human element. Is that going to become more valuable and more valuable as AI becomes bigger and bigger and bigger? Do you think that human element's going to be the thing that sets people apart?
So if I have no legs, I can't walk, I can't run, I can maybe walk on my hands for a certain amount of distance. So I'm still capable, but I'm not as fast and efficient as I possibly could be. If a guy comes along with some technology where they can put some legs on my body that I can now use to run, to sprint, to jump, now I become a more efficient human. I'm a stronger human. I'm a more powerful human than I was when I had no legs. This AI stuff, which I love, I am fascinated with it, is legs for humans with no legs. The legs don't replace the human. The legs make the human faster, more efficient. We can run faster. We can jump higher.